First of all, I don't speak English on a regular basis and I don't do videos as well, so sorry for that, but let's get straight to the point. I'm out here training with my injured wrist and I just want to show you some exercises you can do too if you have an injured wrist. So I know these exercises aren't really the best, but I think they are good enough to maintain some of your muscle mass and strength. And very important to know, I have no experience in healthcare, I'm no doctor, so please only do these exercises if you really feel comfortable, if you don't feel any pain. And these exercises will primarily target your shoulder muscles, your delts, your abdominals, so your core, your lats and some part of your chest, but not really. You don't really need any equipment except 2 chairs and resistance bands, and you can buy them on Amazon. So now let's get to the concept of these exercises. So when we use our resistance band, we want to put it around our forearm like that. And now obviously we can't bend the arm because the band isn't really fixed, so you can only do straight arm exercises. For example, a lateral raise or a front raise.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, strength, now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed, life destroyed, until I woke away. Can I be your superhero? Fly away. It's the first time